Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X9 Ultra, and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings. And here in the settings we need to scroll all the way down to find System and Update. Then let's tap on Date and Time. And here we've got some options which are currently inactive. It is because we are using the automatic time and the time zone. So first of all, let's turn off both of those options, and now we can freely tap on date, time and the time zone. So let me start with date. Now just by swiping we can change the month, day and the year. And same with the time, just by swiping, set the time you want to use. Moreover, if it comes to time, you can also change the time format at the very top. So we've got the 12-hour format or 24-hour one. Just tap on the option you want to apply. Here the time zone, so just tap on it, and here we've got plenty of time zones from which we can choose, so just find yours and tap on it and it will be immediately set. Moreover, you can use the dual clock if you want to. So the whole idea is that your device will display two different clocks. The first one with the time from the place you're currently in, which is right here, and the second one from any other place of your choice. And you can decide where you want to display the dual clock, so turn it on just by tapping on the switcher and you can manage it. So basically this is the whole manual customization of date and time, and of course we can go back to all previous settings just by tapping on those two switchers right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.